Iaho, Kadochikop, Kudeporte.
Según FBI, empleyado ng the St. Louis Cardinals, ahak ding network de Houston Astros. Según New York Times, St. Louis, who é mejor marca de grandes ligas, anaganawe 43-21, trabalho de investigação para buscar informação de traspasso, estatística e rapport de scouting riba em network de Astros. Nenhum empleado de St. Louis awardo suspendido ainda. De parte de MLB, anda donando FBI tour cooperação para resolver o caso aqui. E equipo feminino de voleibol e college de merca superior para nosso equipo. Não?
Depois que a dama na merca ganha a combinação de centro de Barrio Norte, Volley Master e também Pova, turamante de voleibol que chega para Miraweg, espera que o nosso time campeão Gazelles e subcampeão YMCA por durar mais batalha. Pero, tá net contrário, Tour 2 te perde o score de 3 para nada e o time americano não perde nem set.
We have, at their colleges, they practice a lot. They've just practiced over and over and over. And so with this group of girls we've got together here, we had a few practices and we were able to come together. We all have a general knowledge of how USA Volleyball works. And so with that, we were able to come together and do some good things.
It's a good understanding on the field. Eh?
Yes, oh yes, definitely.
And they concentrate. They won't lose the concentration any moment. Eh?
No, because we train. These girls have been playing, probably since, middle school and through high school, and now they're in college. So they've probably all played about 8 to 10 years of volleyball themselves, yes. So
there's no problem for them in the field.
Oh, no, it's no problem for them to come together. Again, there's a lot of the same general knowledge of USA Volleyball and how we do things in the United States.
O coach americano tem consejo para os voleibol vira melhor.
Yeah, I would say get in the gym. Get serious about training. Listen to coaches, anything you can get on their internet or from your coaches about how to play. If you could start at the youngest age, whether it's 8-year-olds, 10-year-olds, 12-year-olds, all the way up to 18, getting as many touches and playing volleyball as much as possible. I think that's the best thing I can say about that, is getting in the gym and training, and then we can, get good. That's how we all get good.
Because for sports, it's not only on the field. You got to work hard in the gym also.
Oh, absolutely. These girls, again, they all play at the university. And so with that, they're in the weight room training there too, getting stronger, jumping higher, getting faster. So not only on the field or on the court, but in the weight room too. And I would say initially for the sport to grow here in Aruba is to get them going younger and just get into the court and start playing volleyball. Hey, love the game. We love the game.
And more dedication to the sport.
Oh, absolutely. Dedicate yourself to the sport and good things will come. Absolutely.
Os voleibolistas não digam que trabalham mais duro, dedicam mais tempo na training e manejo americano de gym. De tempo na que gym te ajudava hopi para o deporte que você praticar. Mano a la obra, me han avisado, Francis, Rani.
Assim mesmo, mas se preparava mesmo dentro do aspecto.
Dentro do aspecto.
Para progressar dentro do deporte, não?
Sim, não. Até que atrás.
Seguro que sim. E não quer recrutar 2, 3 dias para cima só?
Não, tour dia.
Tour dia,
correto.
Não dá um break de domingo, tá? Pero other than that.
Experto.
Ei, nós está full all around the noite.
Dá noite.